everybody. I'm going to talk fire plug. This is the fire plug. It works in the fire station. When the fire comes anywhere on the building, then you will use the ladder. When you need more water, this will put water, and the uncle will climb and put water on the building. Then water will come on the building. Our fire puts out there.
Okay, can you show how ladder gets open?
I can do it up also.
Okay.
And third, let's see.
And where is that fire hose, water pipe?
Here, it will connect it and water will come and two sharks connected so that they can cut anything.
Okay, where are the tools?
Here,
What is this tool name?
it's got the glass or door.
Okay, okay. What are these tools here?
This tool, the axe and winch.
Oh. Okay, can we open the door? Is there a cabin inside?
Yeah.
Where that yellow box we keep?
Inside. You want to see?
Yes.
So, when what it can open or you want to see?
Yes.
Let's just hold this and open.
Oh, there's a cabin inside.
Yeah.
And
Here is the box.
where the fireman uncle will actually sit?
Fireman uncle is here. So there is a small door. So uncle will come and fit. Then the engine will work. And sound will come like that. And I have to show you something.